Welcome to Gyanjati online classes, class 8, English grammar, chapter 8, topic is modal verb. Modals. You have to know verb, different types of verbs, main verb, auxiliary verb, being verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, also modal verbs. The different types of modal verbs just like may, might, can, could, must, ought to, would, shall, should, etc. These are all modal verbs. So you have to know that the definition here, modals or modal actually are verbs that are used to express the mood or attribute of the speaker in different contexts. The mood or attribute. Modals are modal actually are the helping verbs that counts. After that, you have to use main verb, just like I can do, can and do. Do here main verb, and can is here modal auxiliary verb. So you have to know there are different types of modal verbs. I have told you. Yes, can, would, may, might, shall, should, must, will, would, used to, need, dare, and ought to. These are the modal verbs you have to know. The same chapter what I am teaching now, class 8. Same thing in the class 9, 10 grammar also. So whatever I am teaching now in class 8, if you repeat and learn well, it will very help you in coming 9 and 10 course also. Grammar is the subject. It will help you all the classes. Yeah, English literature. Story may change. Grammar is similar repetition of the chapter or subject. Again and again, you may have extra information in different books. That's all. Let's start students model verbs here. First model verb can be discussed. Can be in different points. Ability, possibility, informal request, giving permission, and impossibility. In all this point, modal verb can is used. Just like ability, I can play the piano. This ability. I can sing, I can dance, I can read, I can sing, I can run, etc. We say that is ability. Your ability. Possibility means शायद somehow. It's like loud noise can damage one's ears. There is possibility. Yeah, in the time of marriage party and the functions, the loudspeakers, DJ sounds, yeah, that may be the cause of the ear problem. So ear possibility, loud noise can, that is possibility. मतलब ज़्यादा आवाज कान खराब कर सकता है. Informal request. Informal means not official. Formal means official. Just like in school, you ask the teacher to, may I come in? Yeah, that is formal way. But informal way, you are asking, can I come in informal to your friends? Anybody roughly, just no official. Can I come in? If you say that is informal request. Yeah, if you use may, is more official, more formal way you are speaking like that. Okay, there is difference between can and may. Next, giving permission. Permission देना, अनुमति देना. You can come to my office tomorrow with the permission. You can come. You can do this work. I can give you the task. Yeah, this is the permission. Yeah. So these are the can. Last point about the can. Impossibility. जो हो नहीं सकता है, असंभव है. We say it can't be true. That means सच्चा सत्य हो नहीं सकता है. That आप इग्नोर करें तो ये कैसे हो सकता है. In this one also you can say can. Yeah, can be true. Yeah. So various ways of can, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points given in this book you have to follow, and I hope you practice it. Next point here is could. Could is the past tense of can. Okay. Let's see. So here past equivalent of can. Past का can, present का हम past जो कहानी गुजर चुका है that is past. और जब भी now I am teaching you that is present, but one day later you are listening that is a past. It's okay. Meena said, I can give you exact number. Meena ने बोली कि मैं तुमको again और दे सकता हूँ. I can give. वो खुद बोली, उसी बात को आगे तुम बोल रहे हो। मीनाल सेड दैट ही कुड गिव यू द एग्जैक्ट नंबर। मीना की बात आके तुम आके सुन के बोले, बात गुजर चुका। दैट इज द डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच आल्सो, दैट कम्स ऑन द डायरेक्ट एंड इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच। जो बात डायरेक्ट एक बात बोले वो डायरेक्ट बात है, उसी बात को आके फिर बोले तो कहानी पूरा हो चुका है, बोल चुके हैं, दैट इज ऑलरेडी पास। दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज पास्ट टेंस। ओके, सो we have to use could instead of can. Okay, you understand? Next point, polite request. Polite request can past tense could and will past tense would. So could, by using could and if you say, that is more humble request. Yeah, just like could you pass me the glass please? Could you mind telling me your name? किसी को नम्र होकर बोल रहे हो, then if you say by using the word could you mind telling me your name? Yeah, in this way, would you tell me your name please, etc. You can say like that in the polite request. It's okay. Next point, past ability. अतीत में तुम कर सकते थे, but now you are not able to. Past and the past scenario you could do. Okay, just like we could climb 10 flights of stairs when we were younger. जब हम जवान थे तो 10 स्टेयर तक भी चढ़ सकते थे। मत कहानी खत्म हो चुका, जवानी नहीं गई हो। या when, or I can say we could run very fast when we were child or when we were children. It's okay. So when we tell about the past events, then also you have to use could. It's clear. The last point of this could is present possibility. That call couldn't have come from my mother. जो फोन आया है वो मेरे मम्मी से नहीं हो सकता है, couldn't. Though it is past, could use, but showing the present possibility. It's clear. Present impossibility. Sorry, present impossibility. Let's see. That call couldn't have come from my mother. वो कॉल मेरे मम्मी से नहीं हो सकता है. So in this way, here can and could word is used in this model verbs. Yes, student, did you understand? The model verb may is used in points 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Polite request, formal permission, present possibility, expressive wish. Yeah, just like polite request. May I come in, sir? May I sit here? This is the polite request. Yeah. Formal permission, just like informal permission we have discussed. Can I come in, or yeah? But here, you may take this chair. Formal permission, official permission. Okay. You may take this chair. Present possibility. The fuse may have gone down. The fuse may have gone down. May have this possibility, present possibility. Expressive wish. May you always be success with the wish. किसी को wish करते हो, may God bless you. May the day be successful. Okay. May you always be success with the expressive wish. किसी को wish करते हो. Yeah. May live forever. We say this type of words in expression of wish. The might is the past form of may. Okay. Past equivalent of may. Just like in direct and indirect speech, also may can convert to might. You can see. Ravi said, I may go to my grandmother's house. Okay. And it is the present tense. Ravi bola, the known dialogue, Ravi dialogue, कि I may go to my grandmother's house. Okay. Suppose इसी बात को मैं सुनकर आपको बोल रहा हूँ. Ravi said that. Okay. He might go to his grandmother's house. His grandmother's house. May might change. And then that in that also may is converted into might. It's okay, clear? Next point, quick possibility. कभी हम जब might यूज करते हैं तो कम आसान होते हैं. We might not come tomorrow. It might be raining. मतलब बारिश हो भी सकता है. Today's atmosphere is cloudy, but we don't expect. So I can say it might be raining. मतलब गारंटी नहीं दे सकते बारिश होगा ही. इट मस्ट बी रेनिंग मतलब बारिश होगा ही. मतलब ऐसे बादल बादल किया है लेकिन बारिश होने का कोई चांस नहीं है. वीक पॉसिबिलिटी. सो माइट इज यूज. ओके. सीकिंग परमिशन ढूंढ रहे हो. माइट आई बोरो योर बुक. सीकिंग परमिशन मतलब अनुमति चाहिए. माइट आई बोरो योर बुक. शर्मा रहे हो. माइट आई बोरो योर बुक. ओके. क्लियर टू अंडरस्टैंड. Next point, must. Must in three ways can be discussed. Necessity. You must see a doctor today. You know, it's jaruri. You can face problem. That's why you must see a doctor today. Second of all, logical certainty. Logical certainty means it must be whether that made him sick. या लॉजिक का मतलब अनुमान लगा के बता रही हूँ. इट मस्ट बी द वेदर दैट मेड हिम सिक. परिवेश ऐसा मौसम जैसे कि आज बारिश हो रहा है तो जरूर कोई बीमार हो सकते हैं. नाउ एट द टाइम ऑफ कोरोना वायरस वी कैन से इट मस्ट बी इट मस्ट बी दिस एटमॉस्फियर दैट मे बी दैट पर्सन in coronavirus. We can say that because of this, suppose a person is in cough and cold, we may be certain. You can see. Last one, obligation. Obligation or provision. You must not talk loudly inside the library. This is the order. बड़ा बाध्य आपको मानना ही पड़ेगा. You must not talk loudly inside the library. That is the obligation. बाध्य. Otherwise, you have to take step by the office. Okay. All this point you understood. Yes, students. So next model verb will. Meaning willingness, firm request, invitation, probability. In all the 4 points, we can make this model verb. Just like willingness. Means I will have finish the task. अपनी इच्छा है. I will have. अपनी इच्छा है, अपना पसंद है. That's why that person will to help. I will have. Okay. Next point, firm request. Will you turn down the volume of the television? मतलब that is disturbing a person. That's why the person telling that don't make lots of volume. Will you please, or will you turn down the volume of the television? The firm request. और जबरदस्त जोर से बोल रहे हो. So model verb will is used. Invitations. Will you eat another piece of cake? किसी को पूछ रहे हो, अनुमति मांग रहे हो, या और खाना चाहते हो क्या? Will you? Yes. Next point. Probability. You will be in time if you hurry. अगर जल्दी करोगे तो तुम जरूर समय से पहुंचोगे. You will be in time if you hurry. One of the condition. Yeah. मैं जल्दी दौड़ता तो पहुंच जाऊँ. This is not the probability. So this is all about the way we discuss. Next point on the wood. Past tense of will is wood. But wood can be read as some independent points for like first, past tense or imaginary situations. Just like we say, I would like to tell that is the one of the polite talking. Yeah. Or would you mind opening the door for me? Would you mind telling me your name, please? Would you mind telling me your name? Okay. Yeah. Would you like to tell me, etc., etc. We can say polite request. It would be the very humble and polite request. More than would will. The past tense जो अतीत में करते थे, we use would. Would. After lunch, I would sleep for a couple of hours. खाने के बाद मैं कुछ घंटा में सोता था. That was the past habit. Then we are telling, yes, after lunch, I would sleep for a couple of hours. That's the past habit. Okay. Nowadays, may not be sleeping. Okay, that is the would. That's why it's speaking like that. Then imaginary situation. आप कल्पना में जो बोलते हो. Yes, just like I would change the world if I had the power. Yes, if I were president, I would change the world. I would change India. मतलब सोच में बोल रहे हो लेकिन हकीकत में कुछ नहीं है. In this way also we can use imaginary situation. The cell is also feature in the number cell, command and thread, provision and offer suggestion, just like command. You shall not come here again. धमकी है, command और threat, धमकी दिया जा रहा है. You shall not come here once again. I shall punish you for this. This is the one of the command. Okay. Next one, promise. वादा करना. We will do this work together. Yes. मिल के करेंगे. Yeah. One of the promise. Yeah. वादा करो हम दोनों मिल के करेंगे. We speak like that. Next point, offer or suggestion. Shall I carry these books for you? Suggestion. Shall I carry these for you? क्या मैं ये बुक तुम्हारे ले सकूँ? लूँ? ये one of the suggestion है. So in this way, will do and say, you just said we have discussed on this point. You don't understand? So students, next one about should, ought to, used to, need, and then we shall discuss all these model verbs. And here should in different meanings: advice, duty, obligation, probability. In this way, model verb should is used. Let's see. Here, you should speak the truth. This is one of the advice. Yeah. Obligation, you should be a parent. Duty, you should fulfill. You should do good for our country, etc. You can see. Probability, you should find this essay interesting. Yeah. Probability, you should find. Yeah. इसे पढ़ोगे तो माने फायदा है. Let's see. That's why you can say. Next one, ought to, also used in 2 points: moral obligation and duty. Just like we ought not to make so much noise. The moral obligation, it is the very sacred place and the holy place, the official place. This is your duty to keep quiet. Okay, you ought not to make so much noise. Next one is duty. You ought to maintain a cordial relationship with your colleagues. Duty, you ought to maintain a cordial relationship. अच्छा संबंध रखना है. Colleagues with your staff. These are duty. How to use 2 points. Then used to is discontinued habit. When you were children, used to ride bicycles to school. Used to ride. This is the discontinued habit. Now there is no more habit. So in this case also, used to is used. Next point, necessity or obligation. I need to take my medicine now. This is necessity or obligation. We need to stick together to work. This is obligation. So in this case also need is used. So next point, dare. You be bold enough to. How dare you speak to her like that? How dare you to speak against me? Yeah, that is one of the you are bold enough to speak. Daring quality, right? Challenge. I dare you to finish reading this book in a day. Challenge. In the time of challenge also, we use dare. So students, I can say all this model I discussed now, I think you would have understood. You practice it and daily practice, and hope you that the examination will do better by this time of this getting holidays. You will study well and repeatedly study, and we shall see you in the next class. For that, till that time, have a good day and goodbye. So student, you have been given the PDF files of the exercises. You write down exercises and this book, and you are don't waste your time. This is the best time to study, because and you have to look after your health, and health is wealth. Because if we overcome this coronavirus, then we hope that we will soon meet in this class, and any doubt is still there, then you may openly ask. We are ready to help you. So okay student, I hope you meet once again. So have a good day. Okay, goodbye.